Hi everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to pre-record slides on a slideshow. So first of all, you open up Google Chrome, we're going to start a new tab, we're going to go to Google Apps, which is the 9 dots in the corner, you'll click on Drive. I'll show you how to pre-record on a slideshow that I've previously created. So you'll open up the slideshow that you want. Then you'll click onto File, Download, and you'll click on Microsoft PowerPoint. So you'll open that up. Then you'll hit Slideshow here, you'll hit Record Slideshow. This red button starts and stops the recording, so it'll give you a countdown. Then you can say whatever you want to record your presentation. So for example, you could say this presentation is going to be about safety and sanitary measures in the kitchen. Then the red button also stops the video. Then this icon will appear because that's the recording that you just made. You'll hit End Slideshow, and there's the recording again, and you can hit play here to play it back to you. And then once you've recorded your slides, you would then save your PowerPoint and you could email it to the next person so they can record their slides as well. If you have any questions, be sure to ask me. Another thing that I want to mention is that you don't want to convert your Google Slideshow into Microsoft PowerPoint until everyone has completed their slides.